Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Telegram app not opening. So if you are using an Android phone, you can go and clear the cache of the Telegram as a first solution for that. But if you are using an iPhone, so for the iPhones there is no clear cache option. Like you can use it on Telegram only if you can open the app, but if the app don't want to open, you can't use it. So in that case, the solutions that we can do, first of all, we should go to the App Store and see if Telegram app have an update, because sometimes if you don't update your apps for a long time, problems like that may happen. So for example, I will go for Telegram here, and as you can see, there is open in that blue button in my screen. So if there is an update waiting for you, so you will see update instead of open. And if your app is up to date and everything is good, so the solution in that case is to delete the app and install it again. So to delete the app, you have just to long press on it. After that, click on remove app and click on delete app. And after that, go to the App Store again and install the app. Even like if like you did these solutions and no one of them worked, maybe you need to open your Telegram in another place like your computer or another phone and wait for some days for a new update from Telegram to be released, because sometimes there is some problems between the app and the version that you are using from your iOS or your Android mobile phone. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.